Hola, we are Paisajesensorial, founded by Cristina Palmese. We are a sound laboratory located in the heart of Madrid. My name is Anne, and this is my fellow intern, Kaden. In place of a physical laboratory, a majority of our work is done with cameras, sound equipment, a lot of the visual fields, and within our own cities. We publish a lot of work online. Part of why we're interested in finding partners through Meet My Lab is because it would really help us with our research. As of right now, a lot of our research is being done in Spain, and it would be really lovely if we could expand our research beyond the sites that we've already attained. We've been working with ecology professor José Luis Caldes de la Universidad Autónoma de Madrid, Susana Moreno, architect and expert in energy and mobility, Carlos García de la Universidad Politécnica de Valencia, y también Ricardo Atienza de Consvex.com.
So who are we? Here at Paisajesensorial, our collaborators have been responsible for different national and international research projects and deployed different forms of media to communicate ideas such as scientific publications, international conferences, sound art, and audiovisual productions. And through our podcast, La Casa del Sonido, these all develop and implement new methodologies by integrating scientific and artistic activities related to sensory and ecological, as well as social aspects of perception. These projects are based on site urban explorations and methodologies working on specific urban sites where we focus not only on the sounds we hear, but also the world around us as it continues to change.
A lot of the time when we think about climate change and what we need to be doing to combat it, we can be thinking in the scope of the law of technologies, new technologies that we're going to need to produce, legislation that we need to enact. But in reality, if we want to make this change, the legislative and technological changes that we're going to make even more sustainable in our own communities, is to change our own communities, especially the ones that are being quickly industrialized, so that we need to maintain some form of emotional connection with the natural environment that we want to preserve.
So our research is centered around humans' interaction with natural and man-made soundscapes. We are particularly interested in the daily perception and emotional response of citizens. We explore the gender dimension, inequality of power relations in the public and intimate spaces, and especially through the sensory landscape. Our philosophy is to collaborate on the design of future cities due to the fact that a lot of our work is inextricably linked with architecture and placemaking.
Having said all this, we hope that we can share collaboration with any interested organization or individual to achieve a more holistic understanding of where we are and where we can go from here pertaining to our ever-changing environment. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope to connect soon.